Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to send your astrology profile on Snapchat. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Begin the process. Launch the Snapchat application on your Android device. This will allow you to access the features within the app. Step 2. Once you have opened the app, locate your avatar or profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile settings and options. Step 3. Within your profile settings, look for the purple Zodiac symbol located underneath your name. Tapping on this symbol will take you to your astrology profile on Snapchat. Step 4. Once you are on your astrology profile page, find the send arrow icon situated at the bottom left of the screen. Tap on this icon to send your astrology profile to your chosen recipients on Snapchat. By following these step-by-step instructions, you can easily share your astrology profile on Snapchat and connect with others through the intriguing world of astrology. Thank you for exploring this feature with us. Enjoy sharing your astrological insights with your friends and followers on Snapchat.